Guruji advised me to keep myself in satsang, means good company, right? That was a good piece of advice, I think. Later, he shared the words of wisdom with us and enlightened us the importance of reciting Lalita Sahasranama alone. It's quite interesting.
ಇದು ಆಚೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಅಂತ ಆದಿಶಕ್ತಿ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನೂ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಆಪರೇಟರ್.
Overall, we're really blessed to have Guruji's presence on Guru Purnima.